Why does AI give different answers every time? It's called temperature. We will learn what it exactly is in this video. AI doesn't think like we do. Instead, it predicts the next word based on probabilities. For example, after the phrase the sky is, the most likely next word might be blue with a 70% chance. Maybe clear has 20% chance and cloudy has 10%. The model has a distribution of possible next words and it samples for it. Sometimes it might say the sky is blue, other times the sky is clear based on the chances. That's the randomness in action. This sampling keeps the model flexible instead of always giving the same boring answer. So, how does the model decide whether to stick with blue or surprise us with cloudy? That's where temperature comes in. Temperature controls how much the model pays attention to these probabilities. At low temperature, close to zero, the model becomes conservative. It will almost always pick blue because that's the most likely choice. At a moderate temperature, it still favors blue, but sometimes you will see clear or cloudy. At a higher temperature, which is around 1 or greater than 1, the model loosens up. Even the less likely options get chosen more often, making responses more creative but also more unpredictable. So, low temperature means highly reliable, and high temperature is creative. Let's try an example prompt. Write a short line about pizza. Say our temperature is around 0. Then the response will look like pizza is a popular Italian dish, which is safe, factual, and consistent. At medium temperature, the response is creative and less predictable. At high temperature, the response is highly creative but maybe nonsense sometimes. Same model, same prompt, different temperatures. I have been lately using temperature in range of zero point 0.4 to zero point 0.7 to maintain creativity but get a bit of reliable responses. Let's see how temperature matters in real life applications. In customer support bots, temperature should be low so that the answers stay consistent and safe and according to the guidelines. In creative writing assistants, prefer higher temperature to spark new ideas. For brainstorming, randomness helps. For coding, reliability wins. Choosing the right temperature depends on your goal. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.